If you don't like complicated software but still want to create amazing designs, then this video is for you. Let's jump right in. First up, Canva. It's a dream come true for beginners. With its drag and drop interface and tons of templates, you can create stunning social media graphics, posters, and more in no time. No design degree needed. Next, we have Adobe Illustrator. This one's for those who love precision. Perfect for making logos, icons, and scalable designs. Illustrator gives you total control over every line and color. Then, there's CorelDRAW. It's a powerhouse for vector graphics and illustrations. With tools for drawing, shaping, and coloring, it's got everything you need to bring your ideas to life. Finally, Adobe InDesign. If you're into creating layouts for print and digital media, this is your go-to. Handling complex page layouts and tons of text and images is a breeze with InDesign. So, which one will you try first? Happy designing!
If your gadgets glow like stars, you're a tech superstar. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Sarby Tech World for more awesome content.